In this video I will show you how to create a party invitation for your child birthday, and you don't have to pay any money for that, and it's very easy. It's all with AI. So from a picture like that with your child, you can make a very quick party invitation like that for your child party. So all you have to do is to go to Google and type Gemini Nano Banana. Just go in this link and press get started. Now you have to go in the chat and upload the image with your child. For reference of this video, I'll insert a photo with this baby. And now you have to give a prompt to make your birthday invitation. And this prompt you will find in the description below. And also I will show you in this video where you can get different prompts for different images that you can use for your project or for yourself. So I upload already this picture with that baby, and now this is our prompt. So what you have to do after you paste that prompt, you have to change this child name. For example, we can say Kevin. You need to change here with the party date, so will be 30 October Sunday, and here just insert the location where the party will be. So for this video I just write playground kids, or you can say Kevin home, or whatever you want. And now all you have to do is press run, and in just few seconds you will have a birthday invitation. Okay, it's generate. You can see here Kevin birthday party Sunday 30 October Kevin home. Then you just press download, and then you can print this invitation and share to Kevin friends. So what happens if you don't like how it's done it? You just press chat again and upload the photo again, put the prompt again and press again run. Then after few seconds you have another beautiful invitation for your child party. If you want more prompts for your projects or for yourself, you can go to the link below and join our community Made to Learn. You will find prompts, you will find links, resources, you will find so many things. Just go on the link below, press join, and you can find different prompts, how to do different images, AI image prompts, like how to transform yourself in something, or so many prompts. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.